Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak English. I'm Anna. Today, we're going to learn how to use small talk in the workplace, especially when you want to check in on a project. We'll listen, shadow, learn vocabulary, practice speaking, and finish with a short challenge. Let's begin. Listen to a conversation. Hey David, how's your part of the project going?
Hi, Anna. It's going well, but I'm a little behind schedule.
Oh, I see. Is there anything I can do to help?
Thanks. Maybe later this week. I just need to finish collecting the data first.
No problem. Keep me posted, okay?
Sure thing. I'll update you soon.
That's a short, natural conversation between colleagues. Now, let's practice together. Speaking practice. I'll play the conversation again. This time, repeat after Anna and David. Try to copy the speed, rhythm, and intonation. Hey David, how's your part of the project going?
Hi, Anna. It's going well, but I'm a little behind schedule.
Oh, I see. Is there anything I can do to help?
Thanks. Maybe later this week. I just need to finish collecting the data first.
No problem. Keep me posted, okay?
Sure thing. I'll update you soon.
Vocabulary and expression deep dive. Let's learn some key phrases from this conversation. Behind schedule. This means the work is taking longer than planned. Example, we are behind schedule because of the delay in shipping. Is there anything I can do to help? A polite way to offer assistance. Example, you look busy. Is there anything I can do to help? Keep me posted. This means keep me updated. Example, keep me posted if the client replies. Speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Imagine you are Anna. I'll play David's lines, and you respond out loud like Anna.
Hi, Anna. It's going well, but I'm a little behind schedule. Thanks. Maybe later this week. I just need to finish collecting the data first.
Great job! Practicing this way will help you sound more natural in real conversations. Let's recap today's lesson. You learned how to ask about a project. How's your part of the project going? You learned useful phrases like, behind schedule, is there anything I can do to help, and keep me posted. For your homework, try using one of these phrases with a colleague, classmate, or even when practicing with a friend. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can practice English with us. See you in the next lesson.